Hey everybody, it's Tyler. On today's episode, we are going to finally take apart my engine of the 944. Right now we're going to take off the hood so all this stuff doesn't get caught up in there. But hopefully everything's going to turn out the way it should. I'm kind of terrified to open this thing up, but I guess we'll see. What are you using to take the hood off?
Screwdriver.
Oh. Was that like a tab?
Yeah.
Did you already get this side done?
Huh?
Are they just loose?
I already loosened them.
Oh, we just gotta take them out.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it just popped out.
There's a moth on my truck. Yeah. Oh no, get away. What do we do?
You gotta pull the little pin out for your shock.
Got one side out. Oh.
I don't know where you want to go with this.
I'll lean it against that pulley. Well, we got the hood off. Matt's got to start this lawnmower. Okay, so we were going to look up how to exactly do this, but you know, I think with this project, we're just going to wing it. So Matt's going to work off getting the heads off, and then we're going to try to get this cam housing off. You get to kind of watch us do that. I like I said, just no idea what we're doing here, but we'll see what happens. Did you get it off?
Yeah.
Cool. If anybody knows like an alternative way how to get these frustrating hose clamps off of this vehicle instead of cutting them, just let us know. I just read that that's probably the best way to go, but I figured I'd ask. We did get that off, which is exciting. Now we just gotta get all these hoses off. Is it just
It wasn't even connected down there.
it wasn't even connected? I was wondering why it was so loose.
Yeah, it's with a bolt down here. That makes it easy to take off.
Where was it even connected to though?
Fit down here.
Oh, right here. And there was nothing there. All right, well, oh, you can get a good view of that. That helped me now. I really hope it doesn't need that much help. We're trying to get this cam tower off. We've taken off the bolts inside of here, these three, which they're loosened anyway. And Matt has had just cut the belt because that belt's trash, and well, it just needed to go because we got to get this off. Also, we noticed that my water pump is totally screwed. As you can see, there's just rust like coming out of it. So, which I knew I'd probably have to replace that anyway. I'm going to try to finish getting off these bolts out of here so that we can finally get this camshaft off. It is very hot. My body's not reacting well. All right, so we got the cam tower off with losing some stuff in the midst of doing that. But here's what I have going on. No idea what I'm looking at. I got to do some research to find out exactly if there's anything that's damaged looking here. And if you have any idea, please let me know, because I don't know what I'm looking at. Here is the cam tower right here. All these little things right here fell off and fell out. And of course this, you know, hopefully it doesn't need too much help. But hey, we got that accomplished. I don't really know where to go from here. I do need to replace all the gaskets and stuff. I don't see anything that looks like relative damage. I don't know about you, Matt. I'm gonna take pictures of all of it and then do some research to make sure it all looks the way it should. But I did get this accomplished, and that's kind of what I wanted to do today. I don't know, this doesn't seem as eventful as I thought it would be, taking this off. Mainly because I don't know what I'm looking at. I think that's my problem. but I feel like it's progress. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna end this video here. My working conditions, as you see, is just in my friend's backyard with my car, and it's just hot. There's so many bugs. It's just nasty out here. So it feels like I just have to do one thing at a time, which is one thing today was taking off the cam tower. I want to try to figure out how to take the alternator off, and then we gotta take the exhaust off and just keep going lower and lower into this engine. It's gonna be just a long process, just due to the fact you can't stay out here more than an hour and be soaking wet. So that's kind of what's happening. At least we do have some trees that help, but this North Carolina weather, just the humidity is just ridiculous. Next time, that's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna keep trugging along, getting deeper into this motor to see what's going on. But until the next one, if you like this video, hit the like button. If you want to subscribe to the channel to follow the journey of this build and all the other builds we have on the channel, even though there's only one other one, hit that subscribe button. And if you are subscribed, hit the notification bell so you're notified every time that we have a video come out. And if you saw anything wrong or that did not look right on my cam tower or anything that we pulled off, please let me know in the comments down below. Until the next one, learn what you don't know, and I'll see you then.
I need one more chance. Oh, baby, let me show you. I need one more chance. Oh, baby, all I need one more chance. Oh, baby, let me show you. I need one more chance. Oh.